going to court after we take Killian to Dogtopia.
And after we go to court, we drop off Killian to go to, and then we go to the. And do we have any other appointments today?
No.
Then.
Just court.
And then court. Okay, and then. And then after court, we pick up Killian.
Oh no, Killian's going to go to daycare right now. Then we're going to go to court, and then we have some off-the-books confidential business to attend to. Killian stays at daycare till like 6 or 6:30. So yeah, we're on our way to the tribunal.
Oh, hey! You got my tickets?
Oh shit!
No, bullshit.
We gotta turn around.
Just go to a liquor store and say, "Give me $50 worth of tickets."
No, I'll turn around.
Yeah.
I'll turn around.
Yeah.
We're not that far.
And so anyway, with the law dog.
Oh hey y'all!
She
Officer Kern Law Dog reporting live to you on a Monday morning quarterback day.
And what she did, our poor little guy is going to miss about 15-20 minutes
What'd I do?
worth of his
Why am I
daycare
the bad guy?
because she forgot the tickets. What tickets are those? The tickets that she can get her sunglasses with at the same time.
Oh yeah.
And
oh yeah.
I turn right there and just go over there.
I am going to.
I turn right.
No, you can't because it doesn't go down through there.
Oh, I thought that's where they built that house at one year.
No, that's the next one at the light.
Oh. Hold on, Killian.
We got to go back and get our gifts.
St. Patrick's
our
Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
And we're not talking about Michael Kilpatrick. Bye, bitch.
Honey?
Okay.
So we're headed downtown to the tribunal. Why?
Because they want to show us another reason how they can go and shit on the Constitution and American civil rights. But people of the world, don't say nobody told your ass. Just turn on the TV now. All right. Called it out. I called it out. Anyway,
Get your breath back.
I can foresee the future.
Get back, Jack.
Are you kidding me?
Damn, his breath's all.
I can foresee the future. I have a feeling this radar detector is gonna come off of there.
Why? No, it isn't.
There is.
Well, that's because you took it off.
I predicted the future.
No, give me that.
Before it even happened. Before it even happened.
No.
I told you that was coming off.
That's because you made it come off.
Well, it's
okay,
biomechanics.
but that's forced reality. That's a forced event. That's not a naturally occurring event.
Well, what do you call a fotsy?
I don't know what the hell that is. You keep saying that. I don't know what it is.
What do you call a fotsy?
I don't know what it is. A fartsy?
A fotsy. If you ever.
I don't know what you're talking about, Lunger.
If you
settle down.
If you don't know, if you know what I'm talking about. But if you do feel like you got to do a fotsy.
Lunger, what the hell are you talking about? Settle down. All right, so we had to make a quick detour back to the house before we get downtown because I forgot
It's St. Patrick's
Charles
Day.
it's not St. Patrick's Day. Tomorrow is, isn't it on the 17th?
Well, they might lock me up, and
They're
might
not
take,
locking you up.
They might take my lottery tickets.
They're not locking you up.
And what they would probably call restitution
They're not
of some
locking
sort.
you up. Why would they lock you up?
No,
I mean,
I'm being sarcastic.
Not at this point. Well, hey, in all fairness, you never know. They have pulled things out of their ass.
And
That's why we're having these conversations, and that's why we're having these court dates, and that's why they quit. He needs to quit licking on me. And that's why they need to, that's why we keep having these court dates. Corrupt.
Well,
Why isn't that? Hold on. You need to hold that thought. I got to go get what we came back to get. Never fails. I always forget something because Charles gets all turned up. And that's what I have to deal with. Welcome to my world. He's gone through two canes in the last month and a half at $40 a pop. Put that down. Because he sets them down. And then, you know, like I said, sometimes I don't see. He'll wander off. He gets on one of those scoots in the stores, and it's like he's just busted out of jail. That's how he gets. I gotta put my shades on. Hold on. That sun's pretty bright. These are my Dolces. I got them for my 50th. They are a prescription. Only 500 of these were made. Only 2 were distributed in the state of California.
And
You're looking at a pair.
Or replace.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
a replacement. You're looking for
An upgrade, because we don't downgrade, we upgrade. So I'm in the market.
Yep.
I don't get paid for these advertisements. Dolce & Gabbana isn't sending me any money. Trust and believe.
But if you have,
If they feel like they have to,
if you feel like you have to do something,
make a donation to Purple
make
Rains.
the donation to Purple Rains.
That's
for
right.
Healing Hearts, and we'll make sure we get it distributed through our.
Hey, get back. He's licking again.
Through our. Well,
He's licking again.
he's not licking.
He just nubbed his wet nose on my arm.
He just wants to be one more
It's
hug.
annoying.
Thank you for taking me
Hey,
to
y'all.
the Dogtopia.
Happy Monday. Hey, Letha.
What about my?
No, you tried. You came back. Your insomnia got the better of you. You're up. That's. Welcome to what I call Charles's PTSD on court days. I'm just calling a spade, Lunger. You've been up since 4:30, like somebody, you know, that
Well,
can't sleep. Oh,
Are you
get
shitting
him
me?
back.
You I ain't. What the hell is it? We got to replay that.
That's nasty. Yeah, what is he
He's-
doing?
He just wants
Get
to
back,
have his
Jack.
nose
No,
everywhere.
he just wants to be all up in the
Only
grill.
squirting at him
Wants
the whole
to
time.
photobomb.
And we should have escalated is what we should have.
There he nubbed again.
It's okay, handsome.
He's gonna get me all smelling for court.
It ain't like we're going to a cocktail party.
No, but I don't
We're going
like
to a.
smelling like nasty dog.
We're going to a kitty slaughter.
Charles. And it's a legal slaughter. It's being held accountable legally. Great, we're gonna miss the green. We're gonna have to wait for a whole rotation.
Everybody's gonna say today, damn, kitty.
They're not.
They're
because
gonna be like,
no,
damn.
they're not, because you know why? Because your shit is on appeal at the next level up, the Court of Appeals, because your lawyer had to appeal the suppression of the evidence because
I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, they probably got that email.
Yeah, those of you
there was an email that was sent over the weekend.
Those of you that know,
because some attorneys they work round the clock.
No,
because
and
they
those
have
of you
to.
That know, no, because if you know, then you know.
But we protect all sources.
If you don't know,
get his breath back.
If those of you that know, no. If you don't know, you will by lunchtime.
Maybe. Maybe. Wait. Not necessarily, Lunger. Not necessarily, because I might not be allowed to disclose that yet.
Oh, I know. Well,
I'm only going to be allowed to disclose it once it becomes public record. He needs to get his
breath
back.
You want me to drive this motherfucker?
No, you're not.
Panic attack.
I'm not having a panic attack, but look, he's breathing all.
Because here, you squirt his ass. I'm done.
No, I'm
done
driving.
doing your bidding.
It's not bidding.
I know. And
Dobermans have to have discipline longer, especially in the car.
Yeah. Well,
especially with a
manual. And I can
manual.
tell you, this is about the best he's been so far. And he ain't doing the only thing he's done is getting you pinned and he'll be at his doggy daycare in 10 minutes or less.
Good.
So there's nothing to panic about.
Good. Nobody's panicking longer.
It's going to be okay.
Say that to you when he's breathing all on you.
You're going to be okay. You're with man's best friend and me.
Somebody's selling their Toyota that's all banged to hell up there on the corner.
Yeah.
If anybody needs a banged up throwaway car, there's one on the corner of Rosedale Highway and Callaway.
And bring your iPhone with you or your Droid with you and zoom up on that title and make sure it doesn't say VC. We got to make sure that shit's original. And if it's not, I've had people try to sell me their cars that didn't have a title, didn't have her correctly. Anyway, it goes on and on and on. There's one over there. If you need a quick throwaway car for the weekend, probably want to pick up on that.
That van will fit the bill, unless they're trying to grind somebody out of dog meat on it because it's pretty banged up.
You know how many kitty they could fit in that fucking van? Where's all of your other little kitty? Oh, that's right, you turncoat bitch. They rolled over
what
on
are you
you.
talking about, honey?
I'm talking about kitty.
Okay, honey, look, homeboy's
He got rolled
panhandling.
over.
Homeboy's panhandling right there on the corner, and that BPD just drove on by.
Oh no, I see him in Panhandle there, and BPD would be one of those two cars.
Wow.
And they're like,
That's what you call selective enforcement. They have shit on the books that they say you're not supposed to do, and then they drive right by somebody doing it. But then when you call for their help, because like the time I got assaulted over here at the frickin' Goodwill, that was an off-the-books confidential bitch because she was in a rental car. They knew damn well who had that rental contract, but yet, suspiciously, no charges were ever pursued.
Well, what they do is they rent out your car. You make a reservation, and they rent out your car if you're not there on...
we were 15 minutes early.
And, let's just say sometimes we have to take care of things our own way with our own people, and when we get to that level, it's most likely we're going to take care of it harshly. Follow the journey, because that's how that's going to work out. But it's
509's the cheapest. $5.99 for the damn premium.
At least we don't have to worry about poor people.
Look at this guy getting all up on our ass when there's a whole nother available. Look, he'd rather get all aggressive.
8, 4,
He'd
7,
rather
2,
get
6.
all aggressive, and this is a school zone. He'd rather get all aggressive on my bumper and then zip out on my driver's side when there was a whole lane the whole time.
Well, he heard the pipes that drives him crazy. You know, these people are so low-tone, fucking inbred bitches, like Zimmer, Youngblood, and Scribner.
And he's gonna get the same red light that we're gonna get up here. That's how predictable this shit is.
No,
there he
predictable
goes.
means you can read.
There he goes.
You can read. Predictability, though, is actually a mathematical equation.
Look. He's gonna take it. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Red light and all. Look at that. He couldn't even maneuver that U-turn.
His ass is 15 minutes late to work, and he knows he's going in to pick up his pink slip.
But why did he just do a complete U-turn after he aggressively
Because he's inbred.
came at us?
He hears the pipes.
And then at the next intersection, flipped a bitch to go back the other way he just came from.
Because he wanted to.
Because he was an off-the-books confidential informant. That's how they gang stalk. That's what the hell that was.
Well, that's why you have to always have picture and video evidence.
Yep.
Sooner or later,
Get back, Jack.
it's going to come to haunt your ass.
Yep. Just like that was the same intersection where that guy came up and flashed a badge and said he had something for us.
And homeboy was checking if we were the ones right there in that truck. You'll see it on that if you have it pointed that direction. But I can tell you, there's going to be
What, honey? Did you forget what you were saying?
Yeah.
Stop number 1, Dogtopia.
Uh-oh.
Look at you.
Look at who's
He
who.
knows where he's going.
Who's
Where are you going, Killian?
He says, get that thing on me so I can be first. Yes, you will be first, Killian. Look at him. Can't wait to be first.
Oh, look.
Oh, him. Yes, he
He's
is.
going to Dogtopia.
Didn't I tell you were going to Dogtopia?
He's going
Yes,
to
he is.
doggy daycare.
Here he is.
Guess
Look.
who's going to doggy
Look,
daycare?
Killian. You have fun today, big boy, okay?